Hey guys, today is Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. Let's take a look at the market today. Today, as in my previous video, I talked about the Nasdaq could be due for a bounce because we had a overextension from, this expanding range, and we came down, we have undershoot the range, and now we came up again. So we are testing this range again. I think in the next couple of days, it's just gonna gradually going up and up. Maybe it's gonna test this expansion, this bottom line again. I don't know, but I think the market is safe for now. I don't think the market is heading for a crash like this. I think maybe we're somewhere here. We still have at least several months away from the actual top, if we do have one. And as you can see here, we also have volatility expansion from, from this was from 2016 January, and 2016 January. This particular rally lasted for a long time. It lasted, a lot of people thought the January 18th, there was a huge correction, just like today. Came down, overshot and undershoot. It was only 12% correction, and you can see that here we have about 12% correction from top to bottom. Let me see. Yeah, so it's about the same magnitudes, and you can see that after that, the market actually had a new all-time high, then came down again, then keep going up and up. So these kind of correction, although the range is huge, doesn't mean the bull market is over, right? It's something that we need to be cautious, but from the January 18th to it lasts another 9 months. You can see that this bull market lasts another 9 months from January 2018 to October, or actually to September 2018. It's actually very, very impressive. So, are we going to last another 9 months? It's possible. It's totally possible, and we should be aware of that possibility, right? Okay, taking a look at the stocks, the Tesla. A lot of these stocks are recovering. I'm just gonna get rid of these drawings. This are recovering. A lot of stuff I hold are recovering. So not much to say here. Everything is green today, and not much to say. So let's take a look at the cryptocurrency right now. Cryptocurrency, you can see that Ethereum is testing this very, very significant level of resistance, and you can see that there are a lot of retests at this particular level and previously, and I think this level is a level to watch. I think we will be rejected at this level right now. I think we will be very quickly rejected tomorrow from this particular level, because there are a lot of sellers willing to sell at this point. But I think after we reject it, we're gonna come down, probably retest this particular level again, then immediately shoot back up to retest a higher level. The reason is the sellers are mostly there are a lot of sellers here, but I think the major sellers are actually from this level where the price congests, right? That's where the most buyings are in. The most buyers are in this particular level. So I think that although this looks like a resistance to me, it's going to be a temporary resistance. I think the price is going to be shut down. If this gets shut down tomorrow to 325 or something, I am just going to go buy more of Ethereum, then aiming for a 390, 400 price target after that. If it doesn't get shut down, it's okay with me as well. I'm keeping my current position. Well, I didn't sell up here, so I still have my position. It doesn't matter. Other than that, let me see. Other than that, I don't have much to say besides, I actually own this thing today. Solera. Solera is another kind of blockchain project. Um, oh man, like this thing is super volatile. Seriously, I bought it here. It came all the way down to $2, lost like almost 50%. Came back up today. It went up 50% in an hour. And it was just, this thing is crazy, crazy volatile. I can't imagine owning, even 100,000 of this. I mean, if you put 100,000 in, imagine the volatility in your portfolio. I only have about $3,000 in this, so it's really nothing. But it's a crazy ride. Bought here, went up 50%, came down another 60%, came up 50% in a day. Insane volatility in this product because it's so illiquid. Crazy, crazy stuff. And today, this went up the most amongst all the tokens in the world. So this was the best performing token of the day. Okay, cryptocurrency of the day. Is quite incredible. Other than that, I don't have much to say besides, right now the market is bouncing. I think it's gonna stay for a while for this. I think the correction could be over. We might go for a bounce, came up, came down, retest, but I'm not too worried about the market after this price move, that because this particular point where it overshoots and undershoots, it just tells me that there are buyers in this market still. So if the market comes down here again, I think the market's gonna hold. We've done a pretty good shakeout today, right? If you look at this, very similar patterns between these two moments. Let me just redraw this. Look at that. Look at this, right? Very similar structure, very similar pattern. I think this market is going to hold, and we're going to continue to move up and recover it in the meantime. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about today, and see you next time.